Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite mattress line, Tempur Pedic. I'm going to do a little versus or comparison. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to go Adapt versus Pro Adapt. So the major difference between the two of them, as you can see right here, is going to be the cover, and it pretty much goes from there all the way. So this cover, 360 zipper, you can remove it, you can wash it. Adapt, you cannot do that. They have the high stretch panel on here. It just has a better flow, airflow technology. It's cool to the touch, on top of the fact that you have the cool to the touch panel underneath, so it has twice the cooling. The price is obviously a little bit different. It's about $800 in difference. This is $21.99 versus $20.99. The other major difference is in the support layer, you're going to get the original Tempur formula on this mattress, which original Tempur, still a great memory foam, still one of the best in the industry. But when you come up here on the support layer, you're going to get the Tempur APR, the Advanced Pressure Relief. Well, actually, on this guy, the firm that I'm looking at right now is the only one in the entire line that's different. That support layer will still have the original Tempur, but in the comfort layer, they're going to have the APR, which is confusing. I know, I'm sorry, but the Pro Adapt comes in a series of 4 models: Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid, Pro Adapt Firm, and Pro Adapt Soft. All Pro Adapt models are going to have the Tempur APR in the support layer, with the exception of the Firm. Now, the reasoning for that is because it's a firm feeling mattress. It's probably the most different feeling in the entire line with mediums and soft. This guy's firm, and it is firm. It's a firm mattress, and so with that they put the original Tempur foam, which the original formula feels a little more firm, but then you still get that APR in your comfort layer, so you're feeling it up here with that kind of absorbing feel of a true memory foam feel. So those are the differences between these two models, the Adapt and the Pro Adapt. One thing that I will tell you is you'll see hybrid sprinkled in these lines. So the Adapt has an Adapt Medium and an Adapt Medium Hybrid, and that's it. Fundamentally, it's the exact same bed, but the support layer, the foundation where the inner springs are, in this case on this one, just the high dense foam, that's going to be the biggest difference. So if you see hybrid, if you see a Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid, or you see an Adapt Medium Hybrid, that actually has pocketed coils for your support layer. So just make sure you know that. And I think, as far as these two models, Pro Adapt and Adapt, I think it's worth the $800. But I would also, on top of that, buy yourself a hybrid, because you're getting a crazy amount of technology for the exact same price. The hybrid does not cost any more than the Pro Adapt Firm, Soft, or Medium. And I think the hybrid, that technology is worth more. So you're kind of getting more bang for your buck if you buy a hybrid. I would always recommend a hybrid, on top of the fact of a Tempur Pedic. So you heard it from me. Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid, I think, is the best selling out of the Adapt versus Pro Adapt, and I'd stay away from the Adapt for your bang for the buck. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.